Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, today we would continue with the exercise of lesson 10, and we are on page 76 of book 1, Madinah book series, book 1. So page 76, and we are on exercise number 6, and it says Iqra. And we have been doing this this construction with the harfjar li with different pronouns, attached pronouns. So, Athar, do you know what is li? Li means? Li means
like the harfjar one.
Yeah, harfjar. Li means
Two.
No. Ila means two. Li is for. For some. Oh, I have this thing on. Hold on. Let me escape, and then why it's not okay. Changing to English, and then again. Okay, li is for. Li means for. Only single harfjar li. Li means for. So this li is what? This li is harfjar of lam plus what? Ya mutakallim. This is lam plus ya. And ya, this ya means me. Me or
Me.
my. So li means either for me, or I have. Okay, I have. We can also translate I have. Li ukhtun wahidatun, I have one sister. Okay, so if we can if we see li, it may mean for me, or it may mean I have. Okay, so laka, ka is attached pronoun for you, and you is a single male person in front of you who is present and you are talking to him. Then you say you, right? So ka means you, which is one masculine, right? And laka, this laka actually li, but when we attach with kaf or with ka or hu or ha, then instead of kasra, we this takes fatha, right? Over here with ya, it's li, but with kaf, with anta, attached version of anta, ka, or who, he, or ha, her, his and her, we have fatha. So laka means
For you.
For you, or you can say you have. Okay. For me, for li is for me, or you can translate it as I have. Laka is for you, or you can translate as you have, according to the context. Okay. And lahu means who is he. So lahu means for
him.
For him, or you can say he has. Okay. And laha means
For her.
For her,
Or she has.
Okay, now translate this, because this is just reading exercise, so you just need to translate it. Li ukhtun wahidatun. Li means
Means uh I have
I have. Ukhtun
you did.
Ukhtun
There's
wahida.
many sisters?
One sister, one.
One.
Wahid is one. Okay. And tun is coming because it is a sifa of sister. So sister is female. So the sifa is made feminine with this ta marbuta. Because Mausuf and Sifa needs to match in all four properties. They meet and they need to match in gender also. That's why ta marbuta is single, one thing masculine. Wahidun is masculine, wahidatun feminine. Are you getting the point?
Mm-hmm.
So I have one sister. Okay, period. Now next one.
Um, do you have a sister
Akhun is brother.
or brother?
Okay, do you have a brother? So what did he say?
No, I have a sister.
No. Akhun again. Akhun is a brother.
I mean brother.
Means no. Mali. No, I don't have. No, ma. No. This is ma nafia. Okay. This is not a question ma. This is not what. No. This ma means no. It's a nafia, negation. No, I don't have a brother. Okay. Now next one. So you get the point? Here la is no, ma I don't, li is I have, ma li I don't have. Okay. Li means I have, ma li means I don't have. Okay. Atha?
Yes.
Mali means I don't have. I don't have. Okay. Now next. Ukhti. This is misprinting. This is not akhti, ukhti. Ukhti. This is ukhtu plus ya. It means ukhtun is sister. So ukhti means
My sister.
my sister. Very good. Laha means you can look at the top list. Laha means
My sister. Would it translate as has?
yes, she has.
Or she has?
She has. Tiflun, a kid. Sagirun, a small kid. A young kid or very young kid. Small kid. She has a small kid. Okay, Tiflun, a small child or kid. Okay. Now Zamili. Zamilu plus ya. This is actually Zamilu plus ya. So Zamili means my companion, my class fellow. Now translate.
My class fellow, he has
Very good.
a brother. and a sister.
He has a brother. Very good. Because akhun with this tanween is telling us that this is one brother. So he has a brother and a sister. Okay. Now, Nakulu, we say. Nakulu means we say. We say indi kitabun. I have a book. Okay. Wanakulu, and we say li akhun. I have a brother. La nakulu, we don't say. La nakulu, we don't say. Indi akhun. I have a brother. Indi is for material thing. Like kitabun, if I have a book. So for material thing, indi kitabun, I have a book. Mere paas ek book hai. I have a book. But for relationship, which is constant, for relationship, li akhun, I have a brother. So for relationship, we say, we use li, okay? Or a constant position, permanent position, okay? My brother is my brother, right? So it's kind of permanent, like my brother is my brother since his birth or my birth, right? Indi kitabun, I have a book. I bought a book like 2 days ago. So since 2 days, this book is mine, right? So this is temporary and it's near me in the kitabun, but for relationship, li akhun. Did you get the point? We don't, la nakulu, we don't say in the akhun. We don't say in the akhun or in the ukhtun. We say li akhun or li ukhtun. Okay? For family relationships, we use li instead of indi. Okay, now I'm gonna clear this all. Would you like to take a screenshot?
Yes.
Okay, take a screenshot and then I'm gonna clear all this.
Okay.
You took it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now this one, next concept, ma'a. Ma'a, which is exercise 7. Again, it's reading exercise. Ma'a means with. Okay, ma'a means with. So can you translate this? Kharaja Hamidun.
Hamid left with Khalid.
Excellent. Hamid left with Khalid. Why Khalid has 2 kasra? Khalidin, ma'a Khalidin. Because ma'a is coming as a special mudaf. So ma'a is mudaf as a special mudaf, okay? Special mudaf, ma'a is coming as a special mudaf. Khalidin is mudaf ilayh. Khalidin is mudaf ilayh. That's why it has kasra. And because it's a masculine name, that's why it has tanween. 2 kasra. 2 kasra. Okay? So kharaja Hamidun ma'a Khalidin. So this is a special mudaf and mudaf ilayh. That's why it's it's taking kasra. It's jar. Now the next sentence. Zahabat tabibu. Tabibu is doctor. The doctor.
I know the doctors with the engineer,
Huh.
but I
Zahab
forgot
is went.
oh the doctor went with the engineer.
Yes, the doctor went with the engineer. Okay. So again, ma'a al-muhandisi. Over here, the doctor is Rafa. Why Rafa? Because it's the doer of Zahaba. That's why it's Rafa. Zahaba tabibu. Ma'al muhandisi. Muhandisi is jar in status. Why? Because it's mudaf ilayh to ma'a. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Taking picture.
Yeah.
Okay. Now next one. This is a long exercise. We might not be able to do all the way, but I think we would be these sentences. We are going to do these sentences. So the same way you need to translate. Jalasa al-mudarrisu ma'al mudiri. Jalasa, sit, to sit. This is past tense, so sat.
The
Al-mudarrisu is
teacher,
teacher. Al-mudarrisu is teacher.
the teacher sat with the principal.
Yes. Again, in which status Mudiri is? In which status Mudiri?
Mudafila.
Mudafila is position. It's position in the sentence. Status is jar because it's taking kasra. When I say status, so status can be rafa, nasab, or jar. When I say position, so position can be a doer or an object or a detail or a mudafile or a mudaf. So position are like that. Let me write here. Positions can be okay. Can you tell me different positions like doer or object or
Possessor.
yeah, possessor, yeah, or possessor or mudaf. Possessor or mudaf. And what else? Positions can be mudaf ilay. Okay, mudaf ilay, mudaf ilay, and sifa. Yes, sifa can be a position. Ism majroor, jar majroor, right? Ism majroor is position. So these are positions. And when I ask you, so what is the status of an ism? Like what is the status of this ism? If I ask, so status, you have three options. It can be rafa, nasb, or jar. So three status. So in mudiri has a status of jar because it is coming as mudaf ila to ma'a. Ma'a is mudaf and special mudaf, and mudiri is mudaf ila. Got the point? Okay, next sentence.
Mm, mm,
Man ma'aka ya Aliyu. Man is
Who?
who. Yes. Who is ma'aka? Ma'a with and ka is you.
Ali.
Who is with you? With you. Oh, Ali. Ali. Who is with you? Okay. What did he say?
My classmate.
Yeah. Ma'i means I'm with. Ma'i, with me or with me. With. Ma'a is with. This ya is me. So with me is my class fellow. Now Aminatu ma'aha zawjuha. Can you translate? Amina. Amina
Amina is with my classmate.
no. Ma'a means with and ha means her. With her is zawjuha. Zawju, spouse. Ha, her. Her spouse means her husband. For a female, the spouse is husband. For male, the spouse is wife. So Amina with her is her husband. Okay. Got it? Amina to Amina. Ma'a with ha, her. With her is her husband. Now next one. Kharaja abi minal baiti. Where should I write? Okay, let me write. Start from here. Okay. Kharaja abi. Abi means Abu means father. Ya is for me or my. Ya is for me or my. So kharaja abi.
My father.
My father. Kharaja is
Left.
yeah. My father left. Min al baiti. Min is from al baiti house. And al baiti is a majroor. That's why it's a jar, kasra, taking kasra. So minal baiti, my father left from the house. But in English, we don't say from the house. We just say my father left the house. Okay? We don't say from the house. So my father left the house, period. And then man kharaja ma'ahu. Man who. Man is who. Man kharaja ma'ahu. Who
Who left
Ma'a means with. Who left
Who left
with
you?
no, ka is you. Who
Oh.
is he? Who left with him? Who left with him? Okay. My father left the house. Who left with him? Who left with him? Man kharaja ma'ahu. Kharaja ma'ahu ammi. With him left ammi. Actually, amun is uncle. Ammi means my uncle. With him left my uncle. Ammu means uncle. Amun is uncle. Ya means my. So ammi kharaja ma'ahu. With him left my uncle. Okay, so take up again, take a screenshot, and then we are going to wrap up the class because we are not going to do the eighth exercise. Inshallah, we will be doing this exercise in next class.
Okay.
Okay. Did you take it?
Okay, I took it. Yes.
Let me take it too. Hold on.
He's genuinely interested in finance, you'll be able to tolerate it. Like I could not.
Okay, Atha, inshallah, let us wrap up this class. I'm gonna close the recording, and inshallah meet you in the next class. This today you don't have homework, but try to memorize these things, like what is ma'a, li, laka, lahu, laha. So you took the screenshots, and go through those screenshots again and try to grasp the meaning and memorize these things. Okay, these combinations.
Okay.
Okay, see you inshallah in next class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allah Hafiz.